Hello, my people. So, this is from my friend, my resident, number one resident of South Africa. I asked him and he sent me a reply back. So, this is from Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa. He says, "My dear fellow South Africans, I just want to clear up some wrong assumptions you might have about me. So, Mr. Ramaphosa tells me, I am the richest Khazar bankrolled African communist on the continent. I have a huge mansion in Freshna, Cape Town, valued at 60 million rands. Two game farms valued at 120 million rands. 32 townhouse apartments in Cape Town and Johannesburg. I have a Puma car manufacturing business valued at 15 million rands. Paper packaging interests worth 2.7 million rands. Cattle farming worth 6 million rands. Master shares in 145 McDonald's outlets countrywide and 30% shares in the Shanduka Group with a net worth of 13.5 billion rands, among others. My total asset value is estimated at 76 billion rands. I do not wear a mask outside the cameras, will not share my properties or assets in any land expropriation fiasco. Do not give donations to any poor black or white organizations. I will not share my wealth. I moved all my assets abroad so we can disown you, the South African citizen. Do not comply with any lockdown rules as I have an essential job. I receive billions from George Soros, Bill Gates, and the WEF. Well, that's the World Economic Forum, among others. So I do this to fuck you and your country up. And as a crypto alien, frankly gives a shit about this country of yours. It's your impoverishment. It's your job losses. Job losses. It's your job losses. Or is it maybe about you living or dying for that matter? As I, the resident of this country, expect billions more out of the vaccines and the 5G racketeering business as well. So please, people, get that into your friggin' thick skulls once and for all. 5 minutes of South African politics and why you should vote ANC in the next election, because they don't give a freaking fuck about you, so vote for them.